Just to kind of show you like street view of the front of the hotel. The nice thing about this location is that a lot of restaurants are just like walking distance. So all down this street, even around the corner, both sides, there's just a bunch of restaurants and cafes. Alright guys, today, for the next 3 days, this is our room. We are staying at the Stripes Autograph Collection, part of the Marriott property. Honestly, this is really nice. Can't complain. Look at how cute this sink area is. You know, I haven't seen any of like the nice hotels that we've stayed at have something like this, where the sink is outside of the bathroom, where the sink is outside of the bathroom. I quite like it. I think it's really chic and cute, which is the fun part about staying in an autograph collection, is that I feel like there's like quirky things about it that make it really nice. Mangosteen, yummy. Yeah, the bathroom is in there. I'll show you guys that in just a second. I like this a lot. So since I'm a platinum member, they upgraded me to a deluxe suite. Just showing you guys the outlet plugs and stuff over here too. Oh yeah, they let us know that the pool was closed. Okay, no worries. Love that. We'll show you guys the view tomorrow. Tea, coffee, all that good stuff. Overall, I am liking this. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, nice. Robes, ironing board, slippers, hair dryer, a laundry bag. Of course, the iron, which I didn't already mention. There's extra storage up there. Okay, let me go ahead and close that. So when you first enter, this is where you put the luggage. I'm gonna re-record that because that's not cute. But an area probably for you to stow extra stuff or like your shoes. So yeah, this is the room, and I'll record the bathroom like I said in just a minute. Okay, I wanted to show the bathroom. It is. Toilet with the bidet, towel rack. There's one hook right here and another hook right there. And then it's a shower. I like the shower. Loofah was not included. Just to show. Okay, so shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. I have to say, the shower gel, the scent, it's a little weird.
Is it like it had traces of like being weird, but that smells good at the same time?
Yeah, I can't really explain it. Okay, so this is the back of the mirror outside, the vanity. Okay, the only thing is, okay, there's a lot of echo, let me get out. The only thing is that if you're sharing this room with someone you're not super comfortable with, don't. You can see the silhouette of the person in the shower. Like, let me show you. Babe, get in the shower. Just to show you guys. Can you see me? Oh, really? See? That's tricky because you're like, oh, I can't see them, they can't see me, but that's not the case.
I mean, whoever designed it, they freaky.
Okay.
They know what they were doing.
All right, goodbye. Okay, I just wanted to share about the outlets. So me and Sharif brought the ones that we usually use here in Malaysia, which is the same as in the UK. So those can of course fit here. But the ones here at this hotel are also like the ones that we use in America. So yeah, that's cool. And they also have USB plugs here, but there's a lot of outlets, which is really nice on both sides of the bed.
These shutters and these bricks.
I don't really, I wonder if it's for the sunlight. I'm not really sure about that, but the view itself is nice. What you can see.
Back at it again with some brekkie, you know. We're having breakfast at our hotel. Here's some of the breakfast options. Roasted potato, with your veggies. So it's like your American style breakfast, I guess. Then you get your mee siam, chicken rendang. That was really good. And your toppings for it. Then we got some pancakes, French toast, and you got your little drizzles put on top of it, you know? Maple syrup, strawberry jam, and boom, our favorite. You got that kaya. Bakery items, croissants, bread. You got your fruits and salads and your healthy stuff, you know? Cold cut deli meats. Then you got your milk for your cereal right here.
Porridge.
Porridge. Yum.
The favorite one.
And then you got your like condiments, cheese. That's it.
So the rooftop right now is closed for renovations. You could see right now they're doing some renovations and stuff, but this is the infinity pool. And that is the view. How beautiful. This is the upstairs bar area. The other view here.
See the Soho Mall.
Oh, the mall that we were at the other day? Where is that? Oh yeah, that's where I went shopping. Sogo. And now this is the gym. I think people are working out right now, so I don't want to record them. So we're gonna see what the third floor has.
Supposedly it's the meeting studios.
We're just gonna work our way down. This is the third floor. No, I'm just joking. This is like the lobby area of the third floor. These escalators actually go down to the lobby. This is the main area here with all of the meeting rooms to the sides. So here's a look at one. Hosting a meeting right now in one of the bigger rooms. That's so cool. I love it when they turn on as you pull up. Energy efficient. Oh, this is cute. The snug is like a study area. Cute. Really cute. I like this. It's really cool. Like a nice chill area if you wanted to just come have a coffee and sit and work. Cute. Okay, so this is the second floor. And now if we go down the escalators, it's the lobby.